Hello everyone. As promised, I want to just quickly take you through all the different kind of joins in Power BI. So in the concept of merge queries. So right now, this is the Microsoft documentation of joins on in Power Query. So the concept is joining two tables or more than two tables into just putting them into one, merging them into one. The concept of merge queries, just merge them into one table. So let's quickly look at it. So as we've seen in the previous video, you can find it on your home tab and you can see merge queries around here. Yeah, so yes. So now the next thing is to identify the tables to merge. Right now, there are different kind of merge, which you can see here. The first table is usually the left table, and the second is usually the right table if you are doing a left outer join, for instance. So these are all the different kind of joins and what they do. So left outer join, it takes the whole items at the left. So as you can see here, this is a set. Takes the whole items at the left, the set of the items at the left, and joined only with the corresponding items at the right. That's what the left outer join does. A right outer join takes all the items at the right table and connect with only matching items at the left table. So which you can see here. So this green is joining it with the only green. It's joining it with the intersect at this other side. It's taking the whole and joining it to just what is intersecting with at this other side. So for full join, full outer join just joins everything in both tables together. So people rarely use this. So I think the most usable ones is the left outer join and the inner join. That is what people normally use. But this is just for knowledge sake or just in case the need comes up for you to actually use it. So that is full outer join. Everything at the right, everything at the left table just joins everything. Insert is a union. It's a union of everything. So inner join. Inner join just takes matching rows from the left table and the right table. Only matching rows and nothing more. Then there is left anti-join and right anti-join. So left anti-join takes returns only the table at the left without returning any items at the right, while right anti returns only items at the right without returning any item at the left. So when you go down this Microsoft documentation, you will see so much explanation, so which I've just summarized, and how it can be used and all of that. So you will see them, how you can expand, this is also those explanation and what does fuzzy matching means and all of that. Fuzzy matching is it's an algorithm that just help you identify which columns in this table is matching the columns in the other table. So it just counts it for you. So now this just all really on left and right outer join. Like I said earlier, the most useful one is the left outer join and the inner join. So that will be all for this video. See you in the next video.